we guide you through how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account on your browser or mobile app, then tap your profile icon and go to settings. From there, select payments, then open automatic payments to see full list of active subscriptions and pre-approved payments. Choose the merchant or service you want to stop, review the payment details, and tap cancel or remove PayPal as payment method. Then confirm your action. Make sure you see the confirmation message to ensure the automatic payment is fully canceled. Finally, double check your active and inactive payments list so you don't get charged again. So that's it. You've successfully canceled automatic payments on PayPal in 2026. Quick and very easy.